Assalamualaikum. In this video we'll continue our sofa, so we make cushion, and as promises in my previous video that in this video we will make a seam detail for this cushion. So before we make the seam detail, we will add modifier first. Go to subdivision surface. We will use Catmull Clark. The render is 1 level viewport 1, just so we have this round corner. So let's apply it in the object mode. Go to edit mode again. We will make the seam detail below this red line, so go to loop cut. The line in here is the line we will use to make the seam detail, so place the loop cut in here. Control R, bring it up as close as possible. Okay, click, and once again in the upper side, Control R, bring it down as close as possible. Okay, back to select box. Select the line in the middle. Alt click and make sure the line is selected. Now press S for scale, press shift and move it inside. G, Z, bring it down. Go to object mode. Now we see the seam detail in our cushion. Let's do the same process for the bottom part and the other cushion. Now we can also add more detail for this cushion object in the scope mode. I'll use drag. Let's check the effect first. Okay, that's the effect. Just add a little detail at a time. Go to another cushion. We will start to make another cushion now. Not making another cushion actually. We just copy this small cushion in here. Shift D and bring it here. Go to item, select the Z rotation 90 maybe. So the cushion looks like a different cushion, but it is actually the same. So let's copy it again, Shift D and bring it here. Go to rotation, this is 180 degree. And now we have our cushion and the seam detail. Now I already made the arm cushion. The method is the same with how to make the cushion. So now I will add the seam detail. Go to modifier, subdivision surface, cut mule Clark, render 1, apply, and then go to edit mode. Look at, and then let's make the seam detail. Okay, let's duplicate it. Shift D, and R for rotation in Y axis. Okay, now we are finished with the cushion and the arm cushion for our sofa, and in the next video we will make this big pillow for the back of the sofa and a little pillow maybe. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.